Hi guys, so I actually just did a video of this, and I did it for, an hour, and I deleted a couple of videos because they were just horrible, and I apparently wasn't paying too much, attention to what I was doing. So, I went ahead and, deleted some of it, not really knowing, anything. Then all of a sudden it said this video is too long, even though there's millions of videos that are 3 to 5 hours long, so I was kind of like, you know what, fine, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to my little folder thing and try to, figure it out from there. Then I saw that there was only a police simulator video and one little 1 minute video, and I'm like, wait, where did it go? Why did it just delete? So now I'm here again recording. So yeah, fun times. But happy Monday to you all. I hope you guys had a fantabulous weekend. Bro, don't you honk at me. I didn't do nothing to you yet. Are you kidding me? Did I ask for you to hit me? Get over to the other lane then. Bro, I wish I knew how to use my holder. I would. But yeah, hopefully this video will actually update for the scheduled time for tomorrow. Because I will only be posting Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So on the weekend plus Tuesday and Thursday, I can make, YouTube videos and get them out on those scheduled times. I just gotta see how good. Really? Really? I just gotta see, if I'm gonna be in prison or not for killing somebody. Okay, anyway. I hate people in this game. People can't drive worth anything, and I'm gonna lose it. Okay, you know what? I probably already lost it, but anyway. Forget everything I just said. Are you stupid? You I need my coffee for this morning. But yeah, so funny thing, so about a year ago, my mother, she gave me her old PC. She's not a gamer. I don't know why she even had a gaming PC, but she did. But she went ahead and gave it to me. Every game I played, this game, American Truck Simulator, Hero Truck Simulator, Police Patrol Officers, it would crash all the time. And it just would not work. So I went ahead and saved up whatever money I had left over for those months, and I bought a brand new built PC, and it works amazing. And I absolutely love it. And I'm not using a webcam or a steering wheel and pedals just because I don't know how to set it up, and I don't have the money for it as of right now. But I figured you could, enjoy this drive with me. How dumb do you think I am? But yeah, I don't know how to edit or do any of that, so all of these videos will probably be around 30 to an hour long just because I don't know how to edit, and I'm not gonna try. Sorry, I don't know how to use roundabouts that much. Well, things happened. Well, hi. I was not expecting that. Just because I started to drift over to his lane, he started to drift to my lane. And when I got back onto my lane, he was in my lane, and we ran into each other. Well, oops. Sorry about that, sir. I don't have any insurance money, so you're gonna have to deal with it on your own. Oop. I bet you this would be so cool having a steering wheel and all this. But apparently on August the 3rd, Montana will be out on American Truck Simulator, so I'm definitely hyped about that. Because I'm tired of going through the same states. At least I can go through a new state. I'm just not going to be paying 10 to 20 bucks a month just for me to be able to have a map mod, you know. for the parking thing. I guess that's what it's called nowadays. I don't do any of that crap. And I'm not going to. Hey, a Christmas tree. Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Get out of my way before I crush you. Bro, did I tell you can go? No, I didn't. Oh my god. Bye. Goodbye, losers. Bye bye. Freedom! Shut up. I guess I'll go this way. But yeah, right now I'm in a Tahoe. I don't know what year it is. But I'm in some type of Tahoe. Oh, Lordy. Shut up. I don't remember asking you. You know, I feel really bad for Russia if this is traffic where they are, where there's no lights and there's all these idiot drivers that can't drive worth anything. Are you kidding me? I just said I felt bad for you, you stupid idiot. Who do you think you are, you brat? Go throw your license away, you stupid garbage. You are gonna lose your sergeant's... Oh, Jesus. Bro, I hope you get fired. You absolutely deserve it for what you just did. You know what? All these people need to get this serial they got their license from and put it back in. That's what they need to do. I don't like you. Every roundabout. Go! I swear I will. Go! Go! Shut up, I don't remember asking. Oh, Jesus. I'm so sorry. Sorry, I don't have no insurance. Sorry about that. Shut up. Oh, no. Oh. Okay. Too bad there's no Cadillac Escalade. I don't know why you're doing that, but okay. But that has been my dream vehicle to have. Don't know why I never been inside. Did I ask? Did I ask? Hey, officer, come here. Where are you going? This jerk just brake checked me. Anyways. Go! I don't know where this is going! Okay, never mind. I thought I was about to hit the tree. Move it. Wee-oh, wee-oh, wee-oh. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. Wee-oh, 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 wee-oh. Hey! Is this, driver, are you alive? Person, are you okay? I didn't do it. I didn't do it. It wasn't my fault this time. This really reminds me. You know, maybe I shouldn't talk and drive. What do you guys think? But yeah, like I was saying, that this game, just of how aggressive the drivers are, reminds me of police patrol officers. Really? Just because in the episode you're gonna see Wednesday, there was just a lot of reckless drivers, a lot of warrants, and car accidents mostly. I don't even know where I went. I don't know where I just went. Man, I want a nice Tahoe like this. I did not see that turn coming. Wee! I don't know where I'm at. Oh, Jesus! Oh, okay, well that scared the crap out of me. Well, um, yeah, life happened. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm sorry that it's not as long as the other video, the other video that I made. So, hopefully